After selecting the stairs object in the activated properties pane, you can change some of its features. We have the type, where we can choose between concrete, wood or steel. In the drawing models, we can choose the graphical representation and whether to have the number of risers shown or not. For treads and risers, we can change the thicknesses and the overhang. A further geometric characteristic that we can modify is the slab thickness. In the height reference system, we can associate the upper or lower part to a floor level. So, as you can see, the stairs automatically adapt themselves by modifying the riser height to reach the selected floor level. Inserting a delta value, we can raise or lower the height of the stairs in relation to the floor level itself. You can also change the materials assigned to the various elements that compose the stairs too. For example, you may want to change the tread material. So, from the catalogue, in the Colors and Materials category, simply choose the material to apply.